So in this video I am going to solve one of the important questions of production planning and control. This is your lecture number 40. This question already comes in December 2017 examinations, carries 6 marks. Okay, so let's get started. Here is the question. An incentive scheme allows proportionate production bonus beyond 100% performance level. Calculate the amount of incentive bonus and the payment received by an operator on a particular day during which the following particulars apply. Operation: assembling a table clock set. Work content: 40 standard minutes per assembled set. Attended time will be 8 hours. Time spent on unmeasured work 3 hours. Number of sets assembled during the day 10. Wage rate 5 per hour. Then what is the net labor productivity achieved by the operator during the day? Only 3 questions we have to find out. Incentive bonus, how much incentive bonus, and the total payment received by an operator on a particular day during which the following particulars apply. Operation: assembling a table clock set. Work content: 40 standard minutes per assembled set. Attended time 8 hours. Time spent on unmeasured work 3 hours. Number of sets assembled during the day 10. Wage rate 5 per hour. What is the net labor productivity achieved by the operator during the day? Okay, so let's solve this problem. First, we have to find out the incentive bonus. Okay, so incentive bonus, right? So first, for incentive bonus we have to find out the total standard time. Total standard time कितना होगा? Here given in question that work content 40 standard minutes per assembled set. 40 standard minutes per assembled set, and here in question given that number of sets assembled during the day will be 10. So standard time will be 40 standard minutes into number of sets assembled during the day 10 is equal to 400 minutes, right? 400 minutes. यह आ गया आपका स्टैंडर्ड टाइम. देन एक्चुअल टाइम कैसे निकलेगा? एक्चुअल टाइम हियर given that attended time 8 hours, and again given that time spent on unmeasured work 3 hours, means idle time 3 hours. So actual time will be 8 hours minus 3 hours is equal to 5 hours. 5 hours means 300 minutes, right? So now we find out standard time 400 unit, actual time 300 minutes. 400 minutes standard time and actual time 300 minutes. Now I have to find out performance level. Performance will be standard minutes into 100 divided by actual time is equal to 400 into 100 divided by 300 is equal to 133.33, means 133.34% approximately, or you can say 0.3333. Okay, so now we have to calculate incentive bonus. So now incentive bonus will be here in question given that an incentive scheme allows proportionate production bonus beyond 100% performance level. So here 100% performance level achieved, that is 133.34%. So incentive bonus will be 0.3333 into actual time work 5 hours, actual time work 5 hours into here given that wage rate 5 per hour, wage rate 5 per hour, actual time work 5 hours, wage rate 5 into work of beyond 100% level, that is 0.3333 into 5 into 5. So it will be 0.3333 into 5 into 5 is equal to 8.33. Okay, for this is for 5 hours, for 5 hours on major work, for 5 hours on major work. This is incentive bonus. Then we have to find out next important earning of the day. Earning of the day. Okay, how to find out earning of the day? Here in question given that attended time 8 hours, right? Attended time 8 hours and wage rate 5 per hour. So labor attend किया है 8 hours and wage rate per hour will be 5. So either guaranteed wage will be, guaranteed wage for 8 hour will be guaranteed wage for 8 hours will be 8 hour attended time into wage rate 5 per hour 40, ये आ गया आपका 40 guaranteed wage. Now earning of the day, now total earning of the day, how to find out total earning of the day will be, ये आ गया guaranteed wage 40, guaranteed hour 40 plus excess work achieved, that is incentive bonus 8.33 बोनस भी ऐड होगा ना. एक्चुअल गारंटेड वेज फॉर 8 hours 8 into 5 40 प्लस earning of the day, earning of the extra earning of the day, that is incentive bonus. So here answer will be 48.33, right? This is earning of the day. Guaranteed wage for 8 hours, attended time 8 hour, 8 hours attended किया है and wage rate 5 per hour है. So guaranteed wage for 8 hour will be 40 plus incentive bonus 8.33. So earning of the day will be 48.33. Now third, we have to find out net labor productivity. Then now net labor productivity. Net labor productivity. So how to find out net labor productivity? The formula to find out net labor productivity will be output in units divided by net hours worked, right? So output in units divided by net person hours or net hours worked. So here output in unit given, number of sets assembled during the day 10, number of sets assembled during the day 10, and wage rate 5 per hour, actual hours work, actual hour works 5 hours, this one. Okay, so here answer will be output in unit 10, actual hour worked 5. So here answer will be 2 sets per hour, right? So in this way you can find out easily, very easy and very simple. First, incentive bonus. How to find out? Here given that standard time given that 40 standard minutes into 10 number of sets assembled during the day. That means standard time will be 40 into 10, that is 400 minutes, and actual time will be, here actual time given, attended time 8 hours minus then again given time spent on unmeasured work 3 hours. So here actual time will be 8 minus 3, that is 5 hours, means 300 minutes. Then performance will be standard time into 100 divided by actual time, that is 133.34%. Remember the formula of performance: standard time into 100 divided by actual time. Then incentive bonus will be, here incentive bonus will be given that in question. An incentive scheme allows proportionate production bonus beyond 100% performance level. Means if performance will be more than 100%, then will be incentive bonus given. So here incentive bonus will be 0.3333 into 5 wage per rate into 5 actual hours worked into 5 actual hours worked. So in this way answer will be 8.33. Now earning of the day means guaranteed wage for 8 hours, attended time 8 hours into wage rate 5, that means guaranteed wage will be 40, and extra earning, that is incentive bonus 8.33, means 48.33. Similarly, net labor productivity formula is output in units divided by net hours works. So here output in units given that number of sets assembled during the day 10 and net hours worked is 5. So 10 by 5 is equal to 2 sets per hour. Very easy questions. You just need to practice as many times as possible so that you can do it at examinations. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for your support. Happy studying.